Similarly, declaration statement. Okay, just a few minutes back I told you about variable declaration, and I told about one declaration statement over there. If anyone remembers, can you tell me what is that? Dim statement. It is used to declare an array or a variable, right? So now input output statements, these are the statements which are used to receive input from the user or give output on the screen, isn't it?
Input.
Oh, who is this? Not good, not something which you like. Okay, input output statement. I think Shrinkhala was about to say something. Very good, Shrinkhala. Was it the same boy before also? The first time I could not identify. Did anyone notice?
Sir, name written
Yes, sir.
Santosh.
Santosh.
Yes, sir.
The first time I could not see, I was sharing the screen, that's why I did not, let's say, notice. No problem. This is being recorded. I can see it later on. Now, somebody, okay, anybody, no, except Prosim, okay. Tell me one program. Okay, just dictate one, narrate, okay, and I will type it, okay, one program. Let's try to remember the algorithms which we have written, okay. Same algorithm, let's convert it into program.
Sir, question is repeat on and off.
Yeah, I removed her. अब त्यो नाम actually Simran भनेको Simran केटी नै हो कि was it somebody else अब? Nobody switches on the camera. Okay, I can see only Prosim. That is one problem.